buy Rambo. Come to buy Rambo. In there. Yes. Is that right? Get over here. Follow the pin. Rambo tell me. Hey, Rambo tell me. Redman versus Jack. One. Or Fred. Fred. Oh yeah, what the board? Fred. One. One. What the board? Two. Three. Four. 5. 6. 7. 12. 8. 6. 9. 10. 11. 12. 7. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 19. 20. 9. 22. 23. 24. 25. 10. 26. 29. 11. 12. 31. 13. 32. 14. 33. 34. 35. 15. 36. 12.
too.
Spreading you out.
Somebody got board calling us. Yeah, somebody got board calling. 16. Part 3. Time up.
What are in that, man? What are in?
Part 3 red, man. Alright, 5 minutes, right? Who in there? Alright.
Team Boy Family. Hi sir, welcome to Guyana. So tell us, congratulations on your brand new club. You guys look really adoring with your uniform. Tell us what's next. Why Team Boy Family? Why this name? What's next for us coming up in the next year or so?
Team Boy Family is a group of guys who always talk to another early in the morning on the line 3. So what happened, we always said that we're going to make a team with the guys because we have to reach out to everyone every morning. You know, we step away.
So, one of the winners is here, GH, to receive his electronic mic. Congratulations to you from All Star. Today being Christmas Eve, hope this brings smiles to you and your family. You are a patron to the sports.
You gotta jump on the bike. Let me catch you. Jump on the bike there. Jump on there.
Congratulations to you. Presentation of All Star. Wow! Congratulations to you, Dish. You will be performing, you will be contributing to the services of the Board Racing Authority. I want you to say, tell us how excited you are to win this whole competition thing. Electric scooter. Wow! Life can't be better than this, right? Tell us, hold it, Mike.
Yes, I'm really excited to go through this bike. One, thank you all.
You gotta thank All Star.
Thank you all very much. Very much. Thank you all very much.
Or is it thank you All Star and happy holidays? Tell us.
Thank you all Star. Happy holidays.
Give him a round of applause. What is our winner? He has been in the business for many, many years, providing services from bird seed to tonic to everything. Enjoy, ride responsibly. Put on your helmet. Thank you very much.